Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the essential parts and making the first electrical connections. Mount the microcontroller, sensor, and actuator on a breadboard. Secure power from a 5V USB supply. Connect sensor VCC to 5V, GND to ground, trigger, and echo, or signal to digital pins. Connect servo signal to a PWM pin. Once done, upload a basic test sketch that pulls distance and moves the actuator a little, so you know wiring and power. You now implement the core control logic and permanently mount components. Write code that reads distance, applies a moving average filter, and compares to a threshold to decide open versus closed. Map distance to servo angle for smooth motion. Make sure to calibrate the sensor for the bin geometry. Mount the sensor in the lid with a small bracket so the beam is unobstructed. Secure the servo to the hinge with screws, and use dampeners to prevent bouncing during operation. You finish by testing all scenarios and adding user-friendly features. Run repeated open/close trials, adjust delays for human speed, and verify power drain. Include an on/off switch and consider sleep mode to save battery. Once everything works, enclose electronics in a ventilated box and route wiring cleanly. If readings fluctuate or the lid jitters, make sure to add debounce logic, a small capacitor on power rails, or a metal shield to isolate interference. This fixes most noisy sensor and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.